I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable Google Activity Tracking. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to myaccount.google.com, and then sign in to your Google account if prompted. You'll land on your Google account home screen. Step 2. Click Data and Privacy in the menu on the left side of this screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Personalization and Activity section and then start by clicking Web and App Activity. The Activity Control screen opens. Navigate to the Web and App Activity section and then click to expand the Turn Off drop-down. Click Turn Off in this list of options. A window opens letting you know that Web and App Activity is turned off. Click Got It. Web and App Activity will no longer be collected. Click Back to navigate back to the Data and Privacy screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Personalization and Activity section and then click Timeline. The Activity Control screen opens. Navigate to the Timeline section and then click to expand the Turn Off drop-down. Click Turn Off in this list of options. A window opens letting you know that capturing timeline activity is turned off. Click Got It. Timeline data associated with your Google account will no longer be collected. Click Back to navigate back to the Data and Privacy screen. Step 5. Navigate to the Personalization and Activity section and then click YouTube History. The YouTube History screen opens. Click Controls in the menu on the left side of this screen. Navigate to the YouTube History section and then click Turn Off. A window opens asking if you want to pause capturing YouTube viewing history. You'll be notified that pausing your YouTube history doesn't delete any of your past data. Click Pause. A window opens letting you know that capturing YouTube history is turned off. Click Got It. All Google Activity Tracking is now fully disabled. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.